Hi guys, well this is a follow-up to my previous video about the donations to be able to attend the most important convention, the Swiss survivalist convention for my activity, and everything is explained in the previous video. I wanted to thank all the donors because it has helped me a huge lot. I wouldn't be able to participate without your help, and we are very close to it. So if you want to share that video to support Swiss craftsmanship and help me be able to get to that convention, that would be immensely appreciated. And you can find the link either in my profile or in the caption down below, or with Twint, just ask me for my phone number. Thank you so much for your help and support. Take care, bye bye.